Good morning, Language Arts Block 2. I'm going to review real quickly how to get onto your grammar lesson. Hopefully you have found your dashboard and you clicked on your Language Arts Block 2. That is right there. And I am going to go to Student View so you can see what's up when you're looking at it. Here it comes. There we go. Okay, so this week's grammar lesson, you're going to scroll down. There's going to be this video right here, but you want to click on assignments right there. After you click on the assignments tab, you will see this week's spelling, and here is the grammar lesson for the week. You need to click on that. I made it shorter this week as I realized I had too much last week. Remember, you're only doing 1 hour of language arts per week. This week's grammar is called contractions with pronouns. If you click on the video here, it'll take you to a link to Khan Academy, and it will give you a lesson on the introduction to contractions. I want you to watch that. If you'd like to practice, there's a spot over here where they give you a little practice quiz. You can do that before you enter your information for my worksheet. When you're done with that, you can close that one and go back, and here I have a PDF worksheet. What I want you to do is click on it, and when you click on it, it will download down here, and up pops your worksheet, just like the ones we do in class. I want you to read it. There's 8 questions. Here you just write the contraction for numbers 1 through 4. 5 through 8, I want you to write a full sentence. Now, if this helps, I know this is on a PDF. I would write this on a sheet of paper, just number 1 through 8. And then when you're done, go back to this section, and if you see at the top there's a thing called submit assignment, and you will click on that, and then you'll get a text box down here where you will type in your answers 1 to 8, just like last week. Hopefully that helps, and if you have any questions, make sure you email me.